So yeah, that pretty much. I don't know. I just got refreshed after all that. So pretty much, so I what I did was right when they were coming down. Remember, we've been talking about this shit for oh, that's why. Remember, we've been talking about this for how long? About them breaking this spot right here.
Yeah, it's been a while.
Yeah, like this whole month. And lo and behold, I forget. Like I caught like some of it, but just barely some of it. And I had been waiting on it for the longest. I didn't know they would do it today, but we talked about it. So I went and grabbed a 4 hour, right? This is how you can do. I went and made this 4 hour right here. Y'all see that?
Yeah.
And I pulled it across. And when I did it, guess where they stopped at? They stopped right here. And there's a tipping point right here. I have an hourly tipping point. Um, I'll brighten it up. Oh shit, let me brighten it up so you can see right there. And they pretty much stopped right there. I I was waiting for the break because they did this. I noticed with US 30. Um, and like I said, I kind of set on. I was watching it and following it. I caught some of it, but I was in and out and kind of set on my hands because I kind of, I didn't want to. Like I've been trading so much, I didn't want to feel like, I didn't want to trade without a neutral mind or whatever. So I caught some of this, but I knew they were going to do it because of this right here. That's why I put the gray line here because what they did was they kept making higher lows. You see that? And then they came back to the tipping point. And then what they after they did that, that's when they finally did the break. I know my line's kind of crooked, but it's for this right here. That's why I drew this right here. Well, it might have been for the 5 minute. Let me make sure. Yeah, it was for this right here. Because normally when they getting ready, and then like I kind of felt something was coming. Obviously, you had, but I kind of felt something was coming too because they threw us this big ass. This was a big ass 5 minute structure right here. You see that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's a nice size 5 minute structure. You know what I'm saying? And they impulsed out of it. I caught some of this on my on that account I'm doing. Uh, uh, the FTMO thing I'm doing. I caught some of this, and I didn't know they would go right back up though. But look where they went right back up to. And keep in mind, like I said, I drew this all up because I was up at like four something this morning. So I was drawing. I actually seen when they came. I actually saw this whole move right here. From here, I saw basically all of this I saw all of this morning, and that's why I was saying talking to Nemo earlier, saying I'm stressed out. Like I've been on these charts, man, where it's like forgetting the language I already speak. You know what I'm saying? But I saw this, and it was just unique. When I saw them structuring like this, I was like, man, like I said, I didn't think they would break like this, but when I saw this, and then boom, they came and hit that on that tipping point. You see, this is a 15-minute tipping point. Came back in the 5 minute structure. Boom, hit it again. 5 minute structure. Boom, and I caught little scalps in between this structure right here, and then I realized because I was trying to bet big, like I was taking some nice size lots and like cleaning up like was like $15. Like I was making $400 trades off $15, which is another reason why I said like I was like getting real tedious with it. Um, so I had some wins on it. I had a loss on it too, just testing it out. But yeah, I had a few wins on there. on that doing that thing in between here. And then they did this really the big move though that was pretty dope. Um, and we don't have to stay on this long, but just just to show you like when they did like this, like I always try to remember along with your tipping points, like this lined up perfectly. Um, you see how they bounce. This is my lower. This is my lower. This is my first low. Sorry, right? And they came, gave us that back in instruction. Uh, then they gave us the higher low here, right? And then they made a higher low. Actually, it was like right here, but I moved it. It was actually like that, but then I had moved it here when they started ranging here. But yeah, it was actually like that. And then they had broke and did all of that. So hope y'all ate. Mike, you said you got US 5. I mean, not US. Am I saying it right? S&P 500.
Yeah,
Man,
yeah.
I've been looking at so many damn pairs and man, I'm bedazzled right now.
Yeah, when it was posted earlier, I already had something on it looking at that sale, so I was like, oh yeah, I'm gonna stay on this, and did good. Yeah, did all right.
Might be JPY. Not yet.
I'm back, by the way, bro.
Got it. Yeah, I was just going over that little US 30 move right here.
Yeah, they dropped back a little bit since I called the signal.
Yeah, what I was saying, that's why I was saying but they had already made the move. That's why I was like a sell stop at 32. Well, it was supposed to be like 32, 38 or whatever I said. Because I saw when they closed, like they came and then they came and closed right back here. And I figured when they opened, they would drop. Because I seen them do that quite a few times. You seen that too, right, Mike? On S&P?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Like when they get ready to close, they'll retrace or they'll do like a retracement and then drop when they open back up.
Close right on your face, like yeah.
Mm-hmm. So that's what I was. I was a little bit too. It sucked you can't put the order in because I sure was trying to put it in before we got on.
You should be able to now. I was able to put mine in.
Oh yeah, so you talking about the buy? Let me see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna go and put it in because I
whatever order now they
Oh.
should be open back up.
Yeah, this is the main one I wanted to catch right here. This little space right here. $50. I mean, what was that? $50, $58. Oh no, it was 80. It's 80.
Yeah, I ended up flipping it to a buy because how they closed. That we might be able to get a retrace, and then they've already hit the or they've gotten close to it at least. Like they're getting close to. I've got a line drawn here. I know you can't see, but
you ready to take the screen now?
I can. Yeah, we can go back and forth. You got to give it to me.
Yeah, I'm trying to now. Just show you how much my brain moving around. All right, you got it. Oh, let me stop.
Can you guys see?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So at first, remember I said in the chat, I was looking like a good sell.
Mm-hmm.
When I called it, they were like right here, or when I said that, they were like right here. But I took another look and I was like, like yeah, like they're bouncing here, and they could keep going down, you know. But like I like the idea of them coming back and hitting here before they do anything like that. So I'm hoping that they try to play a retrace to this wick right here, come on back, and then they'll drop. That's what I'm thinking. They've got all this junk here. I forgot what time frame it was on.
You're right. You think they may play it out like over the night, and then in the morning when the news drop, do it, because the news dropping at 7:30 for US.
I don't know. I honestly I think that, like, you know, the calls that I've called out, they could move tonight.
Oh yeah, for sure.
Um,
Well, I just meant you talking about the drop back down.
oh, maybe that, yeah.
Yeah. I ain't mean to complicate it. My bad. I was just feeling in.
No, you're good. Now I know. Now I understand what you're saying. Yeah, maybe they'll come back, you know, hit our TP throughout the night, and then hopefully, you know, maybe by morning they can make the move to the short side. I think that maybe by tonight we might get our sell stop hit on USD Jappy.
For sure.
Jappy looks fucking gold. It's daily close, beautiful. So if we can get that retrace, we get this retrace in the game.
Yeah, that would be dope.
Yeah. We get in right around here. It's not a big trade, but it's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm thinking that on US 30, I don't know if they're gonna break this area. They might, but when I saw that close, I flipped it immediately.
Zoom in real quick. I gotta correlate it because the price on this thing I'm doing is like it's different. Like what you said, the entry was let me see, you said 30, 38.
You really want to get down and dirty? That's what I was looking at.
Okay, and above that, right?
Yeah.
So above that, what is that? The 5 minute? Okay, I see. So for me, actually about the same. This thing's so weird, man. Oh no, it's a few pit. Yeah, it is where I got you 3, 3, 8, 5. Okay, I got it. What you think about USD CAD? It looked like it was on the retrace, but it looked like they pushing up now. They ranging too a little bit. And it's a lot of pips on that one too.
I mean, first glance, I don't like CAD because I don't see any momentum.
Hmm.
I mean, this 4-hour candle, perhaps. The daily momentum, there's nothing there.
Yes, dead.
They're trying to maybe turn this into like an hourly or 4-hour range. Yeah. You go through that, right? And then
Mm-hmm. Funny, that's exactly what I drew up. Exactly what I drew up. That's why I was thinking, like, if the dollar do drop, it'll be dropping back in structure, right?
yeah. Little micro. They gave the wick, and then they did drop. Just didn't go far. 40, 43, 20 the wick. Went a little bit further than the
You're
wick.
like,
Now, if they broke to the top side, really good. Hmm. So, I mean, there's a lot of upward potential. There's 100 pips
mhm.
per room. Just so you guys know, I bought at the bottom of at US 30 right.
About where?
I bought at the bottom there.
Oh, for real? That's dope.
And I am enjoying this. I'm gonna close here in a second.
Zero. Oh,
Yeah, that was an easy $2,000.
so
Yeah, I like
It
that.
wasn't- Go ahead.
I like this CAD a little bit. If there was more momentum.
Mhm. Yeah, you ate pretty nice off that one. It would have went like $30. That's pretty dope.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm hoping that since they're pushing up a little bit right now on USD Jappy,
Hmm.
they go ahead and like pull this back with a wick or something, give us the momentum we need to push through, and then they just go ahead and make the move throughout the night.
Daily is over, right?
Check on my baby, Euro AUD.
Man, that thing had me tripping yesterday, man.
The signal I called.
Which one you call? Which one you call? You
That
call?
was gold. I love that when that happens. How perfectly it hit.
Oh yeah. That's right. You was like, get out. Yeah, exactly.
It hit perfectly, bro.
And then they came back down too. Went up.
Well,
Then.
I called the sell
Mhm.
and I said get out at 75.
Mhm.
They hit it perfectly. They threw a little, a little some, then they were gone.
Races, yeah, man.
Yeah, unfortunately, USD Jappy might be born until later on tonight. Kind of how Euro AUD was yesterday. It was boring all day, and then we were stuck in it all day, and then it hit.
And then yeah, that went crazy. I want to say Euro pair started going. Euro pair started going crazy too. It started dropping and doing crazy shit. Oh, wait, you did say Euro AUD. I'm thinking about AUD. I meant to say AUD started moving. What I meant. Oh yeah, it was AUD Swiss franc.
Para procurar.
Obviamente.
Porque, porque
Para preparar.
procurar
Oh,
esta noche. Saying if I could hit US 30 again, but maybe do a buy stop on it.
I was just looking at it, and I was gonna say it wouldn't be foreign, right? Because they've been going up since pretty much they broke that area pretty much when elections hit is when they started taking it to the new all-time high, right? I was gonna say it wouldn't be foreign for them to come back to 29, 40, somewhere around there.
29 where?
Like 29, 29, 469. Like if they do like the big drop. Because back in February of 2020 was the like this area right here, with this wick right here, was when they broke that all-time high from February 2020. And that was during the elections while we were in, while we were on. But seeing how they coming back down and breaking, certain areas and that momentum candle, I wonder if they'll come back like because they just crashed $500. It's only like another 300 and something to get back to that area. I wonder if they would do that. Huh?
We know it can't last for too long, and like they haven't made a real pullback yet. Like they've only dropped straight for the last day.
Mm-hmm.
Here's midnight. They went up a little bit, and then it's been straight drop since then. It was what 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 hours of rise after midnight yesterday,
Mm-hmm.
and then they've been dropping since.
I mean, but this wouldn't be considered a rise right here though. This little pocket right there.
This,
Yeah.
to me, no.
Yeah, so who?
To me,
you
no.
know?
Nah.
Would it just be like consolidation?
Yeah, because I mean, like, look at the candles on it. Like, it's not really rising anywhere, you know?
Yeah,
Like,
for sure.
like they gave us this bearish close, and then they went just here. Like they didn't rise above it really. Like they just kind of, like you said, it's just consolidation really.
You
They're not really going anywhere actually.
go to the 15 real quick. Or it might have been a 5. I think it's the 5. Yeah. They coming down some more.
Yeah. It's true. I haven't traded news in months.
For real.
Yeah, I just realized that. They done reset my shit and everything. Yeah.
Sorry about that, y'all.
I think US 30 is still gonna go up, man. I
Yeah.
think they're just playing games right now. Like I said though, it's still possible for them to hit the bottom of the range. That's one thing I can give credit to US 30 is like it does play its tops and bottoms. Like
Mm-hmm.
for sure. It hits its tops and bottoms without fail. But I think like the way that the momentum's set up and the price, how they've hit these areas and they haven't really like done anything.
Mm.
I think like it's definitely possible for them to at least go back up a little bit and then come down. That's
Yeah.
my educated guess.
Makes sense. Makes sense. Yeah, it's funny how they had us at the all-time high pretty much the whole month of January with a big range and then decided to tank it today.
I think I'm gonna set a small
Yeah.
price.
Yeah, buy stock.
Yeah, I'm not calling this out to the whole team
Mhm.
because it's a risk.
Mhm.
That's I don't know if I want to put other people in that type of jeopardy. But I set a small one just above. So I want to hear from some people on here. While I'm on, how can how can I help you guys out? Like individuals is like how can we improve some people's game while I'm on? Start the PMF challenge early.
I just wanted to ask you what your thinking was behind the CAD about potentially going up.
I want to see some more momentum personally. Like it looks good for that 100 pips of range, but like I want to see some more momentum behind it.
Yeah.
Like maybe if like they were to maybe play this just a little bit longer, I don't know if it needs to be that long, but like if they, played a little bit longer through a wick
Yeah.
or something, then go up,
Yeah.
I feel more confident about it because like, it's not like, okay, if they broke here, and if we had buy stops above, it's not that like we would be in trouble. It's just like
Yeah.
how far they actually go, you know?
Yeah.
Um, and so we want to make sure that we put ourselves in a position where like we get the best possible like scenario. I mean, if anything, like I like this. I didn't notice this before.
Oh, is that that's the 4 hour? Yeah.
Yeah, it's 4 hour. Let's see what it looks like on the hourly. So the hourly, see, I'd rather change it and have it here.
This.
Yeah, see that. Yeah, I mean, so like if anything, we could set a nice little buy stop here and try to ride to here before any
Yeah.
type of pullback, do something like that. See where like they just go ahead and come back in. That's not really our plan, but or our concern, but these are possibilities.
For sure.
Good actor. Yeah, they activated me on my small US 30.
Oh yeah, they do those wicks. It's gonna push a little bit.
Boom. Already up another rat. See how close they get to the wick. Yeah, so Jenna just that was Jenna, right?
No, Lucy.
Lucy, I'm sorry.
Yeah, that's okay.
Um the USD CAD, I would just, they gave a little momentum on the past hour, a
Yeah.
little, but if you're gonna play the buy, just just know that like we don't have that much momentum. So keep that in mind.
Okay, cool.
I have a question. So I don't know exactly how to ask this, but like how you're bringing up how this year, like the value of the US dollar is just going down more and more. Like, would that like overall over the next year, like really be affecting like the patterns of US currencies? I don't know how to like.
Okay, so say that again. I'm sorry.
I don't even know how to like what the exact question is, but just with the US dollar value just slowly decreasing and just with everything going on, like does that disrupt like patterns in like US currencies a lot, like of like the strategies that you're working with?
No, not really. The good thing about currency is like we can rely on it, you know. The stocks and all that shit, like that's where we kind of, there's a lot of manipulation, but like market makers, they can only do so much with currency because it's backed by the economy, you know. So like if they're doing like, yeah, they're dropping the dollar, but like if they're going against our rules, the rules that like the strategy's been built around, then we got way bigger fish to fry, you know. Um,
Yeah,
like we
true.
should be buying guns and and protecting our youth and shit like that.
True.
So yeah, hopefully that answers your question. But like with stocks and stuff, yeah, that's where you got to kind of be careful. Like if you're trying to transfer over the strategies and the methods and stuff like that, and you're finding little things within stocks or so on and so forth, just just kind of be careful.
Okay, thank you.
Regarding that in stocks, the best way to what would you say the best way would be to introduce ourselves to that, as we go along?
Stocks.
Yeah.
I mean, you can do some light investing, man. Like, it's really easy. The barrier to entry is so low now. So, like, I mean, especially like, okay, you watch the Money Codex video, I'm sure.
Yeah.
So yeah, like when you're withdrawing every week from your forex accounts, or like, if you're trading your active income account, you can start putting money into like long-term stocks and stuff. Like I called out Nokia today. That one's been big on the news, but I think there's still a lot of potential for it to move up, for us to hold. It's really cheap too. My bad. It's really, really cheap. It's only like $6 per share,
Word.
So like if you've got $200, you can get like 25, 30 shares and just sit on them for a while. You feel me? So I think that's a good way to like introduce yourself, is like, just some long-term investing as you're moving your active income. Nokia has been up to 40 something dollars in the past. So I mean, like if they were to go up over the next few years, that's a pretty solid return. But and then dividends is a little bit slower though. So, I would say dividends are like when you've gotten like a really good like rhythm going with your trading, and you're maybe clearing a good 7 to 10,000 a month with trading. Dividends is like a really good method to start throwing your money into with stocks.
Okay.
But you just need so much of it to actually make an impact. So like if you're trying to like build your wealth up and you're trying to like escape the rat race type stuff, then it's maybe not the best. But like as you're perfecting your skills in forex, you're withdrawing every Friday, putting money into stocks like big movers and stuff, you can kind of play both sides. Like you might make, like, for example, let's say you did buy in on Nokia and they go up over the next week or so, you get a few hundred more dollars. You might be like, you know what? Well, I'm going to pull the money off the top, put it right back into my forex broker. I don't know, but like it's up to you. But I think that like just trying to get some good movers that you're willing to hold for at least like a year to 2 years, is a good strategy to start.
Word. Okay. Yeah.
Something you're comfortable with, you believe in the company.
Thanks, man.
Sure. So yeah, I think the fact that USD Jappy is I mean, they're pushing up with my arrow. So I was kind of already anticipating. But I think that the fact that they're pushing up is a big sign for them to go ahead and push down late on the night.
Would you say like GBP, like GBP AUD, like on the 4 hour or daily? Does that look flat to you too, movement wise?
You said GBP AUD?
Yeah.
Where should I put this? Yeah, that's cool. Is Benji cutting hair?
Nah, bro, what's up?
I feel like I hear some clippers. Doesn't that sound like clippers in the background?
I ain't even heard them.
For real?
Yeah.
Maybe I'm tripping.
You smoking something good, huh?
I've been sober for 4 days.
Seriously?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what's up.
How's that been?
Yeah. I'm cool right now, actually. Like, I mean, there's times where I want to light up, but I'm doing it for like just mental. I need at least like 3 weeks off. Just I don't think there was even a week all last year that I was sober, so I need to chill.
That's what I did for January.
Oh, you haven't been smoking this month?
Nah, bro, it's been hard, but nah.
Yeah, I mean, like, even though I don't have a problem with it, like, I think it's just like a spiritual thing, like a soul thing,
That's what I've been saying.
Yeah.
Yeah.
For sure.
Good for the body.
Yeah.
I had made that a 4 hour structure on right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right here. See,
Where?
hold on, shit. It's funny y'all said that. I was just telling Amber. I said, shit, I ain't been smoking this month either. Not on purpose though, but just
Been
like
focused.
I want that.
that's why I was saying when I drug it across. I know you don't like to do that all the time, but when I drug it across, it's hitting right at the top of my zone. Like they threw that wick right at the top of the zone.
See, I don't really like that as like a structure.
What? Oh, you mean? Well, I know this is nasty right here, but it was just I was catching up. Go ahead.
That's what throws me off about it.
I got you.
I think you have the right idea, but I don't know if I would consider that. There might be
I
a
get
way.
what you're saying, though. It may make you work harder than you got to sometimes. I get what you're saying.
Yeah, there might be a way to break it up where like it's a little bit more impactful, you know?
Yeah.
Um, I like how they kind of ranged here a bit. It's a little bit closer to price, and then like I think you can see like little structures here that line up.
Mm-hmm.
They're close, but not quite. The bottoms almost match.
Yeah, and that wick account for the top part. So
Right.
yeah, I've been taking that into consideration where sometimes I'll do it like if it's nothing else to reference, like with that US 30, I'll do it. And I think like you said with US 30, it come back the price so much and certain areas that it's easy to do it with that. Whereas with these, it's like you do have to be careful. So I can dig it. I can dig it.
You guys see that they turned off trading for
GameStop.
Yeah.
GameStop and AMC, bro. I think they even turned off trading for they turned off trading for a lot of tickers, didn't they?
Yeah. I'm pretty sure. What do you think of the whole situation?
To me, I think that like this was predictable, man. I mean, like I don't know, like for one, they're already talking about regulating the shit even harder,
Mm-hmm.
regulating the market even harder. So
Yeah, I've seen that.
yeah, so like that doesn't sound fun.
Mm-hmm.
But I mean, like to me, I think that this is like just bull traps. I think that the market is trapping to the upside, and then the real collapse is coming.
Mm.
I mean, my whole timeline though is fucking full of brand new millionaires. I swear, my whole timeline is full of brand new millionaires.
Yeah. So.
Like, I think I've seen just on my timeline today at least 10 people I know that have hit $1 million in net worth just this week alone.
Oh.
That's fucking crazy.
Wow.
Mad.
I saw one kid, he flipped $55,000 to $11 million just this week alone with
Oh shit, I
GameStop.
saw that. That's fucking crazy.
That is stupid, man. But the thing that's crazy about it is like I know that a lot of these guys, they have no fucking clue what to do when the market starts crashing. And they're gonna keep buying and they're gonna keep buying until the point where they are just, you know, they lose everything that they had.
Yeah. I saw a few celebrities today being like, buy more, and I'm just like, I don't know if this is a good time to buy more.
Yeah. I don't know. All we can do is watch, enjoy the show. All right, Jappy, what you doing back? What you doing back? You think you're going to get a retrace on your GBP AUD?
Well, I was just saying what you thinking, which I was just trying to see what you think about it. It looks that way because it's at, like I said, it was at the top of that zone. But I'm not sure. But I know, I don't know. I'm not sure. Let me see. Let me pull them out. I guess what kind of got me too is they threw that doji too right before they shot it up, as if they were like, maybe coming back down. Kind of the way they threw that wick on the USD pairs.
Mm-hmm.
On the 4 hour, if you want to pull it up. Hold on. Pull it up.
Pull up what now? Which one was it?
On the 4 hour, it was GBP AUD, what you were on already.
Okay.
What you think about that? You think that was just like
These wicks?
Yeah.
I mean, it would make sense with your retrace. And then you got a wick here. Might take this one with you. Let's see. But that's actually not a bad trade. It's a really good trade, actually. Yeah, I might call this one out really quick. Let's
a little point.
Yeah, let's do a sell stop GBP AUD at 1.78. Let's do 3.6 TP. Double check. What's the traffic? Nothing from Miles. Yeah, that's a good trade, Darius. So let's do TP at 1.77935.
You putting it in group?
Yes, sir. GDP 18. 78.36. All right, I got it in. What the hell is my Jappy doing? I didn't think it would go into the range. It'd be nice if they left an even bigger wick. Okay, so we got a few trades. We got the Nokia for stocks. We got the USD Jappy. We got the USD 30, and then we got GBP. Let those play out. It took down the Wall Street Reddit.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I saw the day where it was like the White House plans to intervene on the GameStop thing, and I'm like, what in the non-free market shit is that?
I know, right?
Like,
They complained about it.
People don't hear dictatorship and like shit.
Yeah, that's some wild stuff.
Man.
We know what's best for you. No, you don't, asshole.
Exactly.
Yep, they got rid of the Wall Street bets, or they made it private or something. Yeah, because I'm in it and I can't even access. That's crazy. It may have been removed or set to private. That's crazy. Anybody want me to look at anything? Because I don't think I'll have any more trades since we got so many already.
Yeah, can you look at GBP CAD for me, please?
You got a fat ass range, that's for sure.
Yeah, I have all that marked up.
It's like it's good eats right there, brother. Let's go. It's probably the best bet. Well, let me see. I like that better.
That's right, I have mine right there.
And you already got a trade set, or?
No, I don't. But I was thinking of maybe looking for a sell stop.
Not a bad idea. Just where a few tipping points, but there's the momentum on this thing. Thing. The momentum's so weird. You got these wicks, but you got nothing on the daily. So, oh no, that's not a tricky one, brother. It's got all this like. Where did this thing even go? You got some momentum on the downside, and you got some momentum at the top side. The tipping points are weird because there's multiple in the same areas. You got these here, you got this one, you got this one. What did I do on this? I would honestly sit on my hands on this one, bro.
Yeah.
I mean, like it looks good at first glance, but then like when you really kind of dive into it, it's like what is it even telling you? You know? Like in my opinion, like I don't know what it's trying to tell me. It's like a 50-50 kind of thing, you know? It's like it could keep going up, it could keep coming down. You know, it's like what's really the probability here? Like these wicks look good, but like I don't think they're strong enough for me to like fully lean into that bias, you know?
Yeah.
So I would watch this one going into your tomorrow. Tomorrow's Thursday, so never know. Thursdays are good days. Like it looks like it kind of resembles GBP AUD, but GBP AUD at least gave us momentum,
Yeah.
Like that's what it's missing is the momentum. I mean, this is kind of an MC, but we're not in the game of kinda. So yeah, I would sit on my hands, bro.
All right.
Play it safe.
Cool.
God, I want to see them leave a big ass wick. Man, if I would have kept those positions, I'm happy with my profits, but if I would have kept those positions, I'd be up like 10, 20 racks right at least. Anybody else want me to look at something?
Looking at gold, USD.
All right, gold, what you got? What's your bias, or you don't have one yet?
I didn't have it at first, but I looked at the previous structure I had set up. It looks like it's gonna go. It can go either way because of what I had previously, but not really. Just looking and trying to figure it out.
I see. You got a little structure. Let's see if I can type this. Yeah, that looks good. Is there any momentum? A little bit of momentum to go back up. You might be able to play this range.
For the buy, right? Okay. Yeah, I have a marker here set up. Wow.
Yeah, they might go back up. I could see it going back up. It's just where would be a good Entry. That's the question. Yeah, I see a potential TP. But entry. I really don't see anything. Maybe here? No, that's too high. This might have to be one of those ones that you just low risk it and market execute. Because I mean, it's not that it's a bad trade, it's just you don't have any tipping points.
Right.
So you might have to like market execute. I mean, you can maybe use this $2 away, but yeah, I would just like lower my position a little bit and market execute and just say fuck it, honestly. If you really believe in it. It's a good trade, I think.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, you just don't have a good tipping point, unfortunately. Nothing that like
Yes.
stands out. Yeah. So they're forming a tipping point on US 30. Let me see something. Ouch. It's getting dumped. Look at this.
Whoa.
$12 in post markets.
That's crazy. I had a guy today at work. He was like, "I'm about to buy into AMC," and I was like, "Bro, don't do it. Like, you better just chill out for a second, bro. Don't follow the hype because you will get burned." So, are you sure, bro? I mean, got a little bit of insight, so you might want to just listen on this one, buddy.
Yeah, I just think it's comedy a little bit, you know, because like we understand this type of stuff, but everyone thinks they're a genius on my timeline.
Yeah.
that little bit of success feels good, bro. You know what I mean? Everybody, they're feeding into that more so than actually learning or trying to analyze and see what's happening. So I can see where people get hyped and think they know all about it, but yeah, it's definitely not.
Yeah. Like the fact that they halt trading and all this stuff, like we've been dealing with this type of shit in forex for years. You know, like, and nobody, it just doesn't make the news as much. Someone tweeted they made an app called Robinhood and were surprised when people took from the rich. I'm dead. Yeah. I don't know. It's just horseshit, man. They take down Wall Street bets, they lock up for people to get their money, to close their profits. And then now they're talking about regulating it even harder. I don't know, man. I just think it's unfair personally. But yeah, billionaires, they can meet 2 times a year, 3 times a year and talk about what stocks they want to buy, and it's completely legal. Entonces, pizza. Oh, I guess guys, they made a new one. You guys want to join? It's called wait. And I guess there's already 100,000 people in it. Hold on, I'm about to look. $200,000 already.
Hey.
So it's called Wall Street Bets New. And there's 203,000 people. They fucking banned us. Tomorrow we fight back harder than we fought all year. This is a direct attempt to completely silence the non 1%. Fuck Wall Street, fuck the shorts, fuck everyone who dared defy the odds or whatever.
Wow, that's comical, bro. That's amazing.
I was reading that one of those hedge funds needed a bailout of 2 point something billion or something like that.
Yeah,
Oh,
and
What was that? I think it was like
like
Melvin Capital.
Yeah, now Melvin Capital and point 72, the owner of point 72 is like the reason why I am what I am. His name is Stephen Cohen. Stevie Cohen. He's a fucking Wall Street legend, bro. But he's so behind the scenes. Like his story, he started in the hedge fund game like before, you know, it was what it is today. He was like one of the originators, you know?
Yeah.
And he was one of the, like, okay, he became like a legend on Wall Street because for I think it was like 10 years in a row, he saw 100% returns every single year for 10 fucking years in a row. And he built a system that, like, I mean, obviously they were doing illegal shit to get 100% returns, right?
Yeah.
But like he built a system. He was so smart about it that he built a system that like his traders, they couldn't even speak to him. Okay. He had access to all of their trades where it was legal for him to know exactly what he was, or exactly what the good trades were, but without getting without receiving the illegal information to trade on. Okay. So like he builds this like pyramid in his organization. And it was like if you read his book, like, and you hear like you hear the dialogues from his traders, like it was like Wolf of Wall Street times 10, essentially. So like his trading floor was just like insane. That people, it was super aggressive, and you know, it was like super competitive and blah blah blah. But like Steven, the reason why he inspired me so much, not because of the illegal shit, but because he was a scalper. And like I started my career off as a swing trader. I don't know if you guys knew that. I was a swing trader for the first like 2.5 years of my career. And after learning about Steven, I slowly transitioned into a scalper. You know, he inspired me, and I was like, you know, I'm going to start my own fund one day, and blah blah blah. I was like, I want to be like Stephen Cohen, and yeah. So he was one of the ones that tried to bail the Melvin Capital out, and then they end up losing that money too.
Wow.
Sorry, Nima, what was the name of that Reddit group?
What was that?
What was the name of that new? He said they made a new one with 200,000 people in it.
Yeah, it's Wall Street Bets New.
Oh, thanks.
The memes in it are fucking hilarious. Oh, and that book, it's called Black Edge. Really, really good book. I hit US 30 again. By the way, I feel like I'm holding out on you guys, but I'm scared to call it for the whole team because I know I'm taking some risks here.
So US 30 is risky. This thing moves.
I'm still holding from 311.
From where?
From not 311, 111. My bad. I was looking at something else.
Oh, you're trapped in drawdown or something?
Nah, I said I was still holding from the when you called it earlier for the screen.
Oh, that little position he said he was taking,
Mm-hmm.
small position. Oh, okay, I got you.
Yeah.
Oh,
My bad. I'm focused on something else. My bad.
Makes sense. I mean, from what I can see, it looks like it's going to go that way. Obviously, we know the call is above where the tipping point's at, but yeah, there's some risk there. What's that 15 look like, Nemo? All right. Cool.
This Reddit is funny.
right? I mean, weak.
Never joined Reddit till now.
Honestly, there's a lot of valuable information on Reddit. I've been fucking with it for the last like maybe 8, 6, 7 months. I don't know.
Stop panic selling. Hold the line.
Yeah.
Oh,
They're like,
gosh.
no one sell. They're like talking shit to each other. They're like, we are in this together.
It's so funny.
That's great.
It's hilarious. I want to look at GME. What is it doing in after hours? Ouch.
Ooh.
Ouch. $100 drop. Damn near.
Mm-hmm. That hurts.
Yeah, it hurts.
These people stuck. They be mad.
What just happened? But yeah, just so you guys can double check. I didn't make it. That's weird. No man to put it in.
Not fucking leaving.
The hell?
What was that?
Yeah, Wall Street clip up and he's saying I'm not leaving. That's funny.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, we got a few more minutes. You guys got any questions for me?
Nope.
No, I'm good.
Is Darius still on?
He's around here somewhere.
Good mic, so.
Focus.
Yeah, it's really just waiting for all these trades to play out. I think we got some good setups though. So go ahead and take us through the night. Then we won't feel like we're left out of the GMEers and the AMCers. For real.
Man, hey, they got in quick, didn't they, bro?
Man.
They was happy. Oh my God. I got all this money.
Are you guys joining the BMF challenge? I know I've talked to a few people in here about it already, but
Hell yeah. Ready
I'm
for
excited.
it.
I'm excited about
So are there
it.
2 daily calls for it?
Yeah, so basically how I plan to structure it is like in the mornings, we'll have it like from like 8 to 10, where like I'll hop on and we'll just talk, we'll just talk normal stuff. Like it won't just be charts. Like I want to talk business. I want to talk like personal development, mentality, even traumas and things that like might be holding us back and stuff. Like I want it to be like really transparent and just open. Like there's no judgment, just like everyone just trying to succeed. It's not, there's no room for that, any judgment or bullshit. And we all be reading the same book. So like I'm gonna have a book list to send out. So we'll all be reading. So like if you're putting in at least like 30, 45 minutes of reading, like we should all be on the same pace. So we'll be discussing like the book, like what we learned. Like it's really just like a big accountability system. You feel me?
Mm-hmm. I love that.
Yeah, and I know I need that even at the level I play at. Like I know that I need that at this point in my life. So I know for sure like other people are gonna need it too.
Mm-hmm.
Um,
Yeah, I love that.
and
I go to like a weekly call that we all just like talk about, like, I don't know, past traumas, anything that personal development. So I think it's a great idea.
yeah,
I'm thinking about it. I'm more just concerned about like my schedule, if I'm gonna like make enough calls all the time to like be fully in it.
yeah. I mean, I'm already expecting that most people won't be able to make the morning sessions. But I think that like, it's still necessary.
Mm-hmm. And when would the night sessions be?
Same time. Nice sessions. I don't think we'll be changing those up too much. We got a good rhythm going with the war rooms,
Mm-hmm.
But I plan to hop on a lot more. I've cleared up my schedule a lot more in the last like month or two. So got my cannabis launch out the way. So I don't have to like take all my time on that now. So yeah, I think morning will be like business, personal development, mentality, so on and so forth. And then the evenings, we'll talk charts, money, so on and so forth. And then the accountability system, we post when we're working out, we post when we're reading. Like it's like we gotta really check in,
Mm-hmm.
because if not, people are gonna slack. So just holding each other accountable.
Okay, sorry, but the second call, it's like the same as this call? Like it would still be like part of this call? Or like, are you not, or is this like changing into that entirely?
So the 6 to 8 p.m.s will be pretty much the same, I think. Darius will still most likely be teaching most of those. I'll be hopping on a lot more, unless like I absolutely can't. And I just want to like, it's just gonna be the 2 sessions is really just to like spice things up. So like we'll talk a little bit of business on these war room sessions, but like, I don't want to make it all about that because we already have a rhythm here.
Yeah.
But like the morning, it'll be for that.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Cool. I'm gonna decide in the next couple of days. I really would love to do something like that.
Yeah, I think it's gonna be beneficial. Get people pumped up.
Shit. I know I'm ready.
Benji coming out to Colombia. Benji's trying to get him a little Latina chick.
You already know.
Stop.
Maybe in a couple of them. Man, I can't wait though. It's gonna be a fun time. We'll bust all ass and get to it.
Yeah, man.
When are you meeting up?
End of July, I think.
Oh, okay, cool.
Yeah. I want to see if this pulls back a little bit more. That makes me so happy. Just a little bit more wig. Someone was like, they shut down Wall Street bets, we shut down them. This shit is hilarious. I am dead. I guess the original got put back up. It said we're experiencing technical difficulties based on unprecedented scale as a result of the newfound interest in WSB. We're unable to ensure Reddit's content policy and the WSB rules are enforceable without a technology platform that we can support automation of this enforcement. WSB will be back.
No, because
Well, all right, guys. If you guys don't have any questions, I'm gonna go ahead and hop off. Spend the rest of the evening with me, lady. But
Appreciate
we got
you,
some
bro.
good trades. Make sure once all these trades hit, let's go ham. Let's keep the energy going. I like when Market Makers is active. You know, that's why I made my little threat last night. So when all these trades play out, or if they play out, let's go ham. Let's let these people know that we're out here. It's time for the BMF challenge. It's time to step it up. So no more hiding in the shadows. Let them know we're out here. I appreciate y'all. I'll see you guys tomorrow, though.
All right.
Hey, bro.
All right.
Take care.
Thank you. Bye.
Good night.